Hi, I'm Amanda with Next Day Signs, here to show you how to set up your retractable banner stand for your trade shows. Now, there are a couple different stands, but the basics are pretty much the same. So the first thing we're going to do with any retractable banner stand is pull out the locking pin. Now, in case you have bought a used banner stand, which is perfectly fine, you may not have heard about this right away, but it helps keep the tension on the coils so that the banner can be rolled in and out. So whenever it's stored, the locking pin should be in. But when it's on display, the locking pin can be out. If your stand has caps, go ahead and take those off. Those are magnetic usually. And right here is the locking pin. And it looks like a little L shape. We're going to go ahead and just pull a little tension on the banner and pull the locking pin out. We're just going to get our pole here. There's a little plastic ridge that the top of the banner is going to hook on and then extend up from. So we're just going to go ahead and hook that up. And then push out. There are sometimes bars that you need to tighten and loosen to extend. And just go ahead and get your banner to its full height. Now that we have the banner extended, if your model has a cover on the side, we'll just go ahead and put that back on. The locking pin only needs to be placed back in when you take the banner down and put it back into storage. Otherwise, you are all set for your trade show.